Hello, today we are going to take a look at quite interesting device that I recently purchased. It is basically a Dremel tool, but that is dedicated for your feet, for removing a hard dead skin layer that is very unpleasant to look at. And this device should help you out with that task, with removing it. You've got a grinding wheel, but at the same time it should be safe enough that it's not going to harm you. So we are going to take a look how does it work and how does it present. So let's cut it open. I've got it from a local store. As you can see, it's got labeling in German, and that's because on the internet there is a lot of fakes one, and I don't know how the genuine one looks like, so I've decided to get it locally. I don't know what's going on, but that was a pretty bad packaging. So this is how it presents. Here we've got in Germany, if you would be interested, and we can use it in wet, you can use it in dry. And let's take a look what we've got. Most likely that's going to be powered by a lithium-ion battery. So it is possible. Why it don't want to come out? Okay. So here is our grinding wheel, and we've got some sort of abrasive material. We've got our charging contacts, made in China. Let's take a look at the charger. So it's not magnetic, you just set it over there. It's using a USB plug. Let's see how does it looks like. Does it looks like a genuine CE mark? Looks like yes. Is it a genuine charger for Europe? I'm missing like a tooth certificate, but maybe it's okay. So let's try to plug it in. And as you can see, it's nicely rotating. And we've got a second speed. Yeah, that one is pretty scary. Let's try to stop it. So it's applying pretty decent amount of force. It's pretty hard to stop it. I've got a normal skin. And yeah, that looks pretty nice. We should try it out on my foot. For test, I will give it a try on my foot, and that's because I'm carrying a military shoes. Then this is how it looks like. And we are going to try to remove it. I will jump to the high speed, and let's see how does it work. Just take a look how much of a grinded that skin go. I absolutely cannot feel anything, and that's because it is a dead skin. Clean it up with my vacuum cleaner, so absolutely do not worry. This is how it presents after cleaning, and as you can see, we've got a live skin, we've got a nice red and pinkish, maybe a little bit over there, but as you can see, it looks extremely beautiful. So indeed, that was a nice purchase. Question is how we can replace that, because I've got a different grinding wheels, and how to open it. Here we've got a button, and let's see how to remove it. And it was quite easy. We just slide it here and it go like this. So here we've got a element that need to be depressed. So extremely nice tool. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.